In our house, we keep a special box of our emergency medication. And what this box contains is our antihistamine that we take, which immediately helps if you're having hives or any kind of itchiness, if you're having an allergic reaction, and also our life-saving medication, which is our epinephrine. And what the epinephrine is, it is a needle-type mechanism that you unscrew, take the cap off, and when a person is experiencing an anaphylactic reaction, that is if their throat is swollen, they're having trouble breathing, if they lose consciousness, or if they're experiencing many symptoms of an allergic reaction, this simply is injected into the outer thigh, and within seconds their airway is opened and they're feeling much better, and it buys you enough time to get to the hospital. Because you may be out on vacation or someplace further away from a hospital, it's essential to not only have one, but to have 2 epinephrine pens. That way, in an emergency situation, if the epinephrine starts to wear off after a couple minutes, you have a backup. When you do go out, I always carry in my purse a little kit of our epinephrine pens, our antihistamine. Rather than carrying a large bottle of it, they've come out with some wonderful new products where it's a 1-dose package of an antihistamine, so you don't have to carry the entire bottle around. And they also have chewable ones that you just pop out and chew. But because during a reaction a child might not be able, or an adult might not be able to chew something, the liquid form seems to be the better choice.